All right. So to mark the structure, first thing you have to understand in a bullish market and bearish market, as you can see in a chapter 1, I mentioned when market push higher high or push lower low and market create something like this move. Correct. So basically, this is our bullish structure. And why? Because market creating higher high, this is our break of structure, as you can see here. And this is our higher high, higher low. And again, market create higher high and lower low is here. And the again higher high is here. Correct. So why this is a higher high and why this is a lower low? And people get confused here when market take this structure and they called it chalk. Okay, but in reality, this is not chalk. First low in a bullish market, this one is our minor structure and this one is our inducement. Okay, this is our inducement, and when market broke this structure is here. This one is our break of structure. Correct. And then where is our chalk? Chalk is here. You can see. This is our change of character. Okay. Why? Because this one is our first move when market trying to push higher. Okay. Because market is a bearish and this is our first move, which is looking for the market reversal. Okay. This one is not chalk. Actual structure is here and here between this higher low. Same thing happened here. Market break the structure. After break this structure, where is our most recent low? In this case, this one. And this one is called our inducement. Correct. And same thing apply here. This is our higher high. And this low is our inducement. Correct. So after this inducement and mitigate something here in a left side is here. Correct. And mitigate something is here and here. After mitigation of any demand or supply in a bearish market and bullish market depend or tap on the demand zone. First high is here and this one is called change of character. Okay. And this one is our inducement. So this is a difference between inducement and change of character. Change of character only happen when market tap on the demand and supply or sweep major high. Correct. And inducement generally happen when market is a bullish. Then market taken out the recent high or low. That's called inducement. In this bullish market, you can see this is an inducement and this one is a chalk. And same thing apply in a bearish market. If I invert this chart, you can see here. Okay. Break the structure. First recent high is the inducement. Tap on the supply zone and push downside. Same thing is here. And this one is a chalk. And same thing is here, chalk. So generally, these are difference between chalk and inducement. Correct.
Okay, but sorry. Sure. Okay, sorry. I try to write. Not important if I write on the. You see my pen?
Yeah.
Okay. Not important if the chalk have to break this level and then go up. Not important.
Actually, sometimes what happened, market tap here only demand,
Yeah.
just actually demand is here. And
Yeah.
sometime what happened? Market tap here and then market push higher and
Yeah.
create something like this move.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is also chopped. Okay. Until broken the major low, which is
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And sorry,
Because
sorry,
yeah.
sorry. Sultan. And if sometimes happen that you go here and make liquidity and
Correct.
then make a chalk or make a structure or something and go up. Is this is invalid or also valid?
If market close above it, means market just sweep the liquidity previous low, which is here. Okay. And market sweep the previous liquidity, then this become our valid. Okay. If market previous low taken out like this and just sweep the previous low and close above it, so
Yeah.
also this as a chalk is also valid.
It's also valid. Okay.
Exactly. Why? Because we are following the major structure. Chalk is not important. Main thing is our major structure.
Sorry,
If major is, yeah,
measure. Sorry, the term. Sorry.
major structure, higher time frame structure.
Okay. Major. Sorry. Okay. Major structure.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. But sorry, another question. Excuse me.
Yeah.
If I see in 1 minute, you have to sweep this liquidity in one. If I see sometime I see a spike in 1 minute, and or maybe a body closure down in 1 minute and spike in 5 minutes, for example, or 3 minutes. How to solve this problem if I see two things in two different time frames?
Yeah. Actually, it's depend on you that if you are if you are looking, this is a major structure like 5-minute structure, correct? And this one is your 5-minute structure. And then same thing happen here. 5-minute structure, market sweep the liquidity. Okay. And market sweep the liquidity in a 5 minute, but in 1 minute, market close below it. Correct. So then no matter in a lower time frame close above it or below it, doesn't matter because higher time frame structure is the main.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah. So if I okay, is right, because I think if I'm watching 1 minute time frame, okay, no problem, because okay, clear. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So any more question regarding this inducement and chalk here?
No, it's very clear. So yes, very clear, very clear. Yeah.
Okay, let me show you on a real chart on a 5 minute. Then I think you can understand more clearly.
For example,
sorry,
so if I write, for example, when I am in down structure, for example, okay,
okay,
down structure, so I see this EDM,
okay,
so
okay,
my high,
okay,
and price go up, and this is, for example, in 5 minutes, this is my EDM. If I watch 5 minutes, I watch this. Okay, so I don't know if I have to wait 5 minutes and go long. Oh, sorry, no, mistake. I don't know if this is 5 minutes. I don't know if watching to go down in 5 minutes or go long in 1 minute. But I think we see this. No problem. Sorry for interruption.
Okay, it's okay. Actually, remember one more thing in your mind. When market is a bullish or bearish, doesn't matter. If market is a bearish, for example, this is a 1 minute structure, correct?
Yeah.
And then what happened? Market break this structure is here in a 1 minute. This one is our recent high. And people call it as a change of character, but this is a not change of character.
No.
This is an inducement for the M5. Okay.
Yeah.
When you switch into M5 structure, then you will see this is an inducement to mitigate something here. Okay. In every time frame, this thing happen. If you are looking here for the sell, like this one is, for example, this one is our 15-minute measure high or low.
Yeah.
Okay. And if 15-minute first high has been broken, then very highly chances this is an inducement for the 1 hour. Okay, I'm talking about the first reversal. Okay, first chop, first inducement. So if market is a bearish, and market break the most recent high, which is here, okay, then you have to confirm in a little bit higher time frame. For example, if you are looking, this is a 5-minute structure, then switch into the 15-minute to see this is a inducement or a real chop. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If market is a mitigate something here in a left side, okay, in a 15-minute zone, then very highly chances this is our chop. Okay. And if one more is here scenario, if market did not mitigate previous demand, but market sweep this low, okay, just sweep this low and close above it, and again market break this high and close above it, then very highly chances this is our chop. Okay. So yeah, in this case we can expect something like this move, and this become our inducement, correct? And this is our inducement, and mitigate something is here, and then you can catch this reversal to the upside.
Okay, so you say if I see a strip here, maybe this is a chop. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. But remember two things: this must be chop or close below it, then must be mitigate previous demand in a higher time frame. Okay, then this is a valid chop. If not, then this is just inducement, and market tap on this supply zone here and looking for the drop.
If I haven't a demand here, this is an inducement. You say this?
No, if left side is a demand is here, correct? Okay, and mitigate this demand. Okay. So this chop become our chop. Why? Because market tap on the higher time frame demand, and this is a chop and push higher. Okay. If not tap on this demand, okay, and then market push higher, so this chop become our inducement.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yes. I said if there isn't a demand here, this is an inducement. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Very clear now. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is a black bull. Okay. Which broker have a good chart on US 30?
I think sorry, okay. I watch.
Wanda, I think looking good.
I think now I'm watching. What's this? I don't. Oh, Black Bull, yeah, or sorry. I think. Oh, no problem. What is better for you, Wanda? Yeah. Okay. No. Okay.
I think same everyone, but let's see about the under. So let me show you some to mark the structure. Okay, then you can clearly identify the structure. There is market going on bullish or bearish. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yes, because
yeah.
okay. Mm, the last week I think to have made some confusion. Okay, continue. Sorry.
I will start from here top, then this will help you.
Okay, I try to take
Uh,
on my screen. Okay, to
sure.
see. Where are
So
you?
I'm looking from here. So this is our major high, which is here. Okay, because this is a last high and which was broken by this. Okay, so generally this is our higher high in terms of this bullish structure. Okay, and if I mark below it, then we can see market taken out the previous low is here. That's so this one is our higher low and higher high. Again, market break the structure. I'm just marking this as a to add confidence to confirm structure. Okay, so now this is our higher low and higher high. And then what happened? Market break this structure is here. And this one is called change of character also. Okay, you can mark like this. And so okay, so this is our change of character. After change of character, why I'm marking this change of character? Because market actually was bullish and break the major low is here. Okay,
Yeah.
and then what happened? Market pushed downside, and
Yeah.
after push a downside, where is our recent low or high? Okay, I'm showing you exactly here. This one is a chalk, break the structure, and this is our most recent high is here. Okay, which is taken out. Okay, it means this is a confirm low because market take out the previous recent low, but market just sweep this high and close below it. Okay, so in this case, what we can our forward this here to here, transfer major low here to here. Why? Because you can see after this structure has been completely broken. Okay, so this is our actual structure is here. This is one is called inducement. Okay, chalk and market structure moving something like this. Okay, when market broke the first high, so this low is a confirm, and this one is called inducement. Okay, and we are expecting after taking out the inducement, sell on the order block or sell on the inducement. So first entry is here on the inducement. Okay, and the next, yeah,
Yeah.
and next entry our weight, because our weight there is available order block is here, and this one is our engineering liquidity. Okay, because in this case everything is mitigated already. If you can see here, there is no imbalance proper, and this already mitigated. So
And
this
sorry,
is high. Yeah,
uh, no matter if I see imbalance in a lower time frame, for example, in 5 minutes, I see imbalance here. No matter because
no, because we are looking right now in a 15-minute, and price always follow the higher time frame perspective.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
if you are looking imbalance, then very highly chances you can see imbalance in here also in M1.
yeah.
Okay, but market never mitigate every time frame. Market never follow any time frame, because everyone have a different type of order time frame. Okay, but if this is up to you that which time frame you are looking for the major structure and minor structure. So for me, this is our chalk and lower low is confirm is here. And now I will expect market must be taken out the inducement and then anticipating to price downside, mitigate this order block and push downside. And again, this is our engineer liquidity. In future, if market unable to push downside and market go higher, then I will take entry after taking out this engineer liquidity.
Yeah.
Correct. So same thing happen here. Market again break this structure is here, and this one is our break of structure. Correct. Now let's see after break this structure, what happened here? As you can see, market break this structure and moving something like this and here. And then what happened? Finally, market taken out the recent high is here. Okay, and close above it. Okay.
Sorry. Boss. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Market taken out this inducement is here. This one is our first inducement.
Yeah.
Okay. So after this inducement, where is our order block?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I think
you can
here.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Exactly.
Not this.
Because if you can see here, after this inducement, price must be order block just above it, probably here and here. But in this case, there is not available any order block after this inducement. So very highly chances this one become our inducement, sorry, order block. Okay.
Yeah.
If market type here and looking for the sell in a lower time frame, correct. And this become our engineering liquidity because this is our extreme.
Yeah.
Correct. As you know. And this order block is our extreme order block.
Yeah.
And this one is our
incredible. Like your analysis is, oh my God, it's very clear because maybe during the trading, live trading, I maybe my mindset is oh, incredible. But I'm sorry. Very all very clear. Maybe you maybe can you start before the chalk last bar before the chalk? Sorry. Can you go back? Okay. Yeah. Can you see my primary long structure in this? Because I think to have some problem in the long position. I want to see the. Can you start analysis from the change of the trend, please?
Okay, sure.
It's a very clear. Then we can continue. Okay. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay.
Incredible.
I have to start from here because this is our inducement here. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me show you exactly. This one is our inducement, correct?
Yeah.
And this one is our major high, which is to call the liquidity. Okay.
Yeah.
But this is not a confirmed structure, break of the structure. And what happened here after this? We can see market break above this and close above it. So this structure is our confirm high is here, and this one is our break of structure, correct? So after this break of structure, when it confirm, first see this high, and then we are anticipating for the sell, but market just close above it. So this become our confirm break of structure, and this point.
The reason the inducement in this leg. Sorry, engineering, there isn't.
Actually, look at here. If you wanna go lower, then you can see different picture. That's why I did not go more lower, because you can see market momentum is a bullish, sorry, bearish, extremely bearish. Okay, market momentum was bearish, and market break this low, which is here. Okay,
Yeah.
and this one is break of structure in a downside.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
this is a single leg, as you can see here.
Yeah, in fact, this zone confused me. This zone confused me. Yeah, I remember. Maybe I seen this like inducement and this like engineer.
So this is a boss in a downside, and this is our inducement, and engineering liquidity is here, which I mark here. Correct. So after taking out this high, we can sell. So where is our order block? On the extreme, which is
Yeah.
here. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah. No, not here. Not here.
Yeah, not here.
Ah, okay. So the only order block is on the extreme zone.
Exactly. Because extreme order block is high probability. And if market create any order block just above this, in this case, inducement and engineering liquidity both are same. Okay. At this point, as you can see, there is no engineering liquidity above it. So inducement and engineering liquidity on the same point. Okay. So we will use this order block for the sell. Market tap here and give a reaction. And then what happened? Market failed this zone. Okay.
Yeah.
It means market looking for the reversal. Okay.
So,
and then what happened? Yeah, market looking for the reversal to the upside, and market not interested for the sell. Okay.
So here you not try. You should not to try the sell.
No, you can sell here.
Huh?
You can sell here first. You can sell here, and
Yeah.
you are already in a position, and then market drop this, and then very highly chances you can make some money, or you are putting the stop loss on break even. If
Yeah.
market in case go higher, then you can at least cut out on break even. Okay, which is absolutely fine. Okay. And market close above it, so this indication for the reversal, it means market no longer wanna go in a downside.
Okay.
Okay, finally close above it and confirm this is our change of character, you can say. Because market is a bearish. Look at this. Okay, so market close above it, so this become our change of character, because market is a bearish. This one, and this high is a confirm, and this low is a confirm, and this is a previous low. Okay.
Yeah.
Take the structure, and
I make some confusion in this part of. Okay.
Actually, this one is a little bit for your confusion, but don't worry.
Yeah. No. I think that internal structure maybe confuse me. Yeah. I have
Don't worry.
I have to remain very concentrated in this. Yeah. Sorry, because I see also liquidity here. I usually consider this level. I like liquidity because.
Yeah, exactly. This is a liquidity, but this liquidity confirm when market again push higher. Okay.
Yeah.
This one is actually liquidity, and we are also looking here for the sell, multiple position sell. Okay. When market push downside, okay, and then market decide to go higher. Okay. Yeah. So still you can make little bit money or cut on break even. Okay. And then market push higher. Once market close above it, so this is a confirm that market structure is a change. Okay, now we should looking for the buy. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. After this break,
Yeah.
okay, I look for buy. Yes. Yes.
Exactly.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
market close above it here. And why? Because market taken out the recent low is here.
Sorry,
Okay.
sorry,
This is
Mr.
our inducement. Yeah.
Sorry, Mr. Khan. Sorry, Mr. Khan. When I see this, this is not my confirmed low.
Yeah, actually, okay. In this case, you can see market taken out the only high, and this is a liquidity sweep, not a complete structure. You can see market close above it. So this is just sweep the liquidity. And in this case, you can see our first high is here. Okay, because market taken out the minor structure is here. Correct. But why I did not consider this one? Because market take or the just sweep the liquidity.
Okay. Yes, but
Okay.
consider, yeah, I consider this boss upper closure.
Here.
I consider just
When market close above it, so this was is confirmed, but higher high is not confirmed until broken the recent low.
okay, and the and what the which is the sorry, and which is the low to break to confirm the high?
This one, and in this case, this was. But market create new structure to push higher. Again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I consider this. I'm sure. I don't know. I don't remember, but maybe I okay. Go on.
Yeah. So this become our new higher high. Push downside, take out the inducement, create a new lower low, and again market go higher. Okay. And after this go higher, and this become our breakout structure. This breakout structure is here. Okay. And then what happened?
Can you? Sorry. Hello, sorry. Okay, this is high. Sorry. I pause. This is my confirmed low, right? Maybe in this month. This is my order block. No.
Yeah.
This is not my confirmed.
Actually.
Oh, sorry. Why this is?
Actually, yeah. Actually,
okay. Actually, yes.
Minor structure
yeah,
between this.
Yeah. This is.
And then market tap here and give us some little bit a reaction.
So here you can take position here.
No, generally I will take a decision taken about the recent actual recent flow is here. Okay, and this is an internal structure between this. This is also internal structure. And this is also internal structure between this line. An actual leg is here. This one. Okay. This leg is actual leg is here. Let me show you exactly. Like this. Okay. Once market taken out this, go higher. This low confirmed and broke the structure, and this is a major change character.
Yes.
Okay. Then market break this structure. You can watch this video again after complete this session. Okay. This video, that's why this video is recording.
Yeah.
Because we have a lot of questions Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this law has been broken in a downside called change of character. Push downside inducement, tap on the supply first inducement, and then push downside, and again market go higher to take around the engineer liquidity and actual give a market in a downside. And same thing happen here. Break the structure, taken out the inducement, fail the first order block, and take the extreme order block and push downside. And again, what happened here? Is here. What is this?
Oh, this is yes, sweep, liquidity sweep.
Sweep, obviously. So once market sweep the liquidity, then what you should do in this case? You have to sell. Sorry, you have to buy.
Yeah.
Market is a bearish, but you have to buy. Why? Because market close above it, and you can buy here.
In
After
a lower time frame, you can try to buy.
exactly.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
when we can sell.
This is very important for my scalping, because if I sure of the structure on 50 minutes or I use a higher time frame, I can very identify the positioning of the day. Oh my God. Okay.
So
Okay.
where now where you want to sell? Look at this picture.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Where do you want to sell in this move, and why? In this move, where do you want to sell?
Okay. Yes.
Because
Yes.
you are buying here, and where is the target, and where you are looking for sell?
This is another very important question, because when I see this leg that don't create a referment point of view, you know? So it's like chalk or ADM, I see this leg, internal leg, and I don't know what to do. But I think that if you say me that this is a sweep, oh, I can try to sell. This is an EDM inducement, and this is my order block. Sorry, what's my? Do you see my pen?
Yeah, I can see.
Maybe this is EDM engineering, EDM engineering, the same.
Exactly, correct.
And my order block is this sweep, liquidity sweep, and maybe this.
Exactly, perfect. Great job.
Oh my God.
Look at this, how it's working here. You can see market sweep the liquidity, and this is the indication for the pullback, okay, reversal. And then you can buy here, and you can target this most recent high, which is here, okay?
Yeah.
And after, yeah, target.
Oh my God.
Buy here.
And you are, sorry, you sure that after this leg, this sweep, sorry, the price may go down, yeah?
Actually, this is all about a probability, okay? But when market sweep the high or low in a major time frame, then very highly chances, most of the time, we can see a reversal or pullback. I notice and I take this trade. I take a lot of trade based on this. That's why I'm telling you.
Okay.
Because it's work very smoothly. Because market need liquidity. Market don't focus on your order block or anything. Market need only liquidity. They manipulate high or low. Okay. So in this case, market already manipulate this low and close above it. Okay, and then market push higher, and then what happened here after this break this structure, and some people mark this is a boss here, sorry, chalk is here, and some people mark this is a boss or chalk, anything, okay? And then what happens, they expect price go downside on this order block, and they mark this and looking for the sell is here.
Yeah,
and this is our smart money trap. Okay, that's why the main reason to fail smart money traders, they always wait for the boss and they are looking for the sell on the order block, but they don't wait for the inducement and taken out the liquidity.
Yeah.
Okay, but we are not selling here. Why? Because we always sell after the taken out the inducement or engineering liquidity. And same thing happen here. This is our engineering liquidity plus inducement is same, correct? And our zone is here for sell.
Sometimes I psychologically, sometimes I'm afraid to sell here because I see all this liquidity, so I'm locked to take the future.
Actually, first thing, you have to mark the correct structure. Once you mark the correct structure, then you don't need to afraid here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So market taken out this liquidity, and then what happened? Market gave reaction to the downside, and same thing has happened here. Market taken out the previous low liquidity, and then what happened? Market shoot upside, taken out this liquidity, close below it, shoot downside, as you can see here. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I hope this thing is clear to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now there is a problem.
Yeah.
Now there is.
Now you can. Yeah, exactly. True. This is our boss.
Okay.
Okay. And then what happened? Market create new low is here. And after this low, where is our inducement?
Where, sorry? Yeah.
Where is our inducement?
Inducement is here,
yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, correct. Definitely.
I don't see. I don't see order block or engineering.
Yeah, because in this case there is no order block available here, but we can mark this is a zone like this candle, correct? Okay. For refinement we can take this. Okay, in future maybe market tap here, but I'm not interested here right now because market gave a reaction is here. When market break this structure, then we can sell here, and there are different of the condition for the sell in a lower time frame. But major thing is here, when market taken out the inducement, then we can sell. In this case, there is no need to wait for the tap on the order block. And as I told you recently, that order block is additional confluence. Okay, main thing is taken out the high or low. Okay.
Sorry, not understood this. This
okay.
is okay.
So this is IDM, correct? And IDM is a necessary. Order block is not necessary to enter in my market. Okay, because order block is additional confirmation. Okay. Main purpose is taken out the liquidity, and liquidity sitting always above and below, swing high or low, correct? Yeah, same thing is here, taken out the inducement, and then we are anticipating for sell, and in this zone we can sell in a lower time frame. If market give any bearish structure, then we can sell. Okay.
Very difficult this
yeah, but this time happen sometime, not every day, but we can sell after taking out this inducement. And some people mark this is a like whatever they call some ICT student breaker. Okay. But I don't use it, that I will not mention here because it's not necessary.
Maybe in lower time frame, 5 minutes, there is something in this zone.
Yeah, maybe, but actually this move happened during news. That's why I did not create any order block here. But market create on the extreme. Okay, if market tap on this extreme, then very highly chances market can push downside, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is inducement. Market create confirm lower low is here, and then what happened? Market take this structure is here, and this one is our boss, and this is our lower high.
Okay.
And then what happened here?
Okay.
Break the structure. After confirm this law, where is our inducement?
Yeah, maybe here.
A little bit downside. This one.
Oh fuck! Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. And this with our order block.
Okay.
This is our inducement.
This is inducement. Okay.
Correct. Inducement, and this is our order block, and market give a reaction, and we can sell after the inducement, and we can sell here on the 1 minute to see a lower time frame structure change and then sell. Correct. And where is our engineering liquidity? Engineering liquidity in this case?
I think maybe this.
Between this line? Yeah, of course.
Oh, Mr. Khan, this is a problem. This is a problem for me when after EDM, I reach this zone, this order block.
Okay.
Okay, and this is my limit because if price go up, is high probability to reach the and sometimes I remain locked in this zone. So I have not the okay, it's all clear. Okay, I remain locked in this zone, and when price go up, I confuse myself. So, but probably the price reach the engineering liquidity, and maybe my order block. This is here. Is
okay.
Okay. Okay, go on. Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
And
So
this is our chalk.
Which one? Yeah, true. But before this chalk, you have to understand this picture. Okay.
Yeah.
This because we are looking still sell here, because market momentum is a bearish and we are looking sell. Okay, you can see market creating lower lows and we anticipating again push downside. So after taking out the inducement or after taking out the engineering liquidity, correct. So first is here, and we can sell after some lower time frame confirmation. We can sell, and probably we can get little bit move here. Probably, as I mentioned, maybe you can get little bit partial and maybe on a break even, and probably at the stop loss if you are using entire order block. Correct. So these three possible scenarios here. But after this order block fail, when market push higher and fail this order block, then where is what you should do? You have to buy for the engineering liquidity till the engineering liquidity, like this. If market fail this order block, correct, then you can buy to target this order block till this. Okay, because we are anticipating here for sell, we are ready to sell here, but we can buy here after taking out this. And some people get confused, they mark this order block is here, this is here. My
old mentor was I learned this by my old mentor, and I'm confused. So now is very clear. And
these are nonsense. These are nothing. These are zero value. Only inducement order block and engineering liquidity order block is only value. 2 points value. Other order block is
smart money trap. Smart money
exactly.
Trap.
They give a reaction. You can see here on this order block. Market give reaction here. Okay, because smart money traders sell here. Okay. Even a retail traders, not smart money, they are retail traders. We are also retail, but everyone's selling here. Why? Because they are anticipating tap on this order block and sell. But in reality, this is not a sense to sell here. Okay, so that's why market giving reaction is here. These are smart money trap. Okay, So this is our main low. Recent low is here. After taking out this low, what we should buy here.
This is an inducement in a lower time frame for you, no?
Actually, this is a count.
Sorry, I don't hear. No audio, Mr. Khan.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Sorry?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now.
So this is our inducement for this buy. Till this, why we are looking here for buy? Because market did not see this engineer liquidity. That's why we can buy here into lower time frame. Okay. Once market tap on this steam order block, then we can sell into lower time frame if market give a reaction at this point.
Yeah. Yes, but they destroy this level. Sorry, and another engineering is here for lower time frame is here. No. If the price start go down, sorry.
Yes.
This is inducement. Okay. I probably need to sweep this engineering. Okay, but if the price should go down, this is my engineering.
Yeah.
Maybe. And the order block this maybe.
Actually, at this point, this is our engineer liquid. Sorry, this is our inducement. First low taken out, we can buy. Why we are looking here? Why? Because this low taken out, if market close below it, then our order block is here. Okay, but in this case, you can see market sweep this low and close up of it. That's why we are looking here for buy.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, if market close below it, then this is our area when we can buy.
Yeah. Okay, go on. go on, please. Very clear your analysis. What do you think? Maybe in the future, maybe change this vision, Mr. Khan. Maybe in the future, institutional change. They
actually, I will tell you one more thing. Institutional trade based on the number of orders. When the maximum number of orders are filling, okay, and they trade based on the only liquidity concept, and we are also trade based on the liquidity, and we are following their concept. Okay, if they change the concept, then retail traders can make money and they don't want.
Okay.
Because we are not like smart money traders. Actually, we are following the smart money path. Okay, footprint of the smart money traders.
Yeah.
Okay. Because in a reality, we are all retail traders.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
So you can see same thing happen here. We can buy here. Once market break, this structure is here, and this one is our change of character.
Yeah.
Okay. You can see market did not give any reaction here. In a lower time frame also, then we can't sell here. Okay. Once market break this structure, it means market wanna go higher. Change of character.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's see.
Oh my God. Yeah.
You can see market pushing higher high and go higher. So in this case, where is our higher high? Because market momentum has been changed now. So where is our higher high after break this structure?
Sorry. Allora, sorry. I see maybe. Oh my God. I see this.
Probably.
And in fact, I seen this, but sorry.
Yeah,
sorry.
that's true. Actually, what happened here? Let me show you.
Here. Oh, here. Maybe
Actually,
here.
at this point, you can see this is actually what happened here. Most of the time, in terms of the structure, this is our like first inducement. Okay. And then what happened? Market goes downside and go higher. Okay. But and this, if you see a bigger picture, and this is our minor move. Okay. And then what happened here? You can buy here at this point. Okay. And then same thing happened here, especially in a US 30 and some indexes. Same, this thing happen generally. Okay. But you have to remember some things, that this is actually inducement or just a continuation to the upside. Okay. Market taken out this inducement, we can buy here, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what happened? Again, market push higher and break this structure and taken out this low. And these are very micro things.
Yeah.
And then market go higher. And then what happened here? Market break this structure and mitigate something here in a left side, and then again go high. So these are scaling entries for the buy. But in reality, this is a single leg, actually.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, this is an internal structure, internal range, you can say, in another word, because at this point, you can see, if I mark this structure, something like this,
Yeah.
and this move like this.
Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this is our first inducement. And we can also say this one, but don't be a trap here. But you are saying that Mr. Khan told me that this is an inducement. But think yourself also before taking any trade. And this is actual move is here. And then market push downside. And this is our actual inducement is here.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is our actual inducement is here, and market push downside.
Yeah. This is engineering.
Like this. Yeah, you can say, but this is not engineering liquidity. Engineering liquidity is sitting below it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Very difficult this scenario, because I
and this thing is a little bit different, because in this case you can see market taking out the minor structure and pushing higher and creating actual structure. Okay. Yeah, means you can say structure within a structure. Okay. Yeah. So we will consider this is a high, and here.
Okay.
Okay. And don't be trapped here to see this is a inducement and boss, and this is a chop, and then no.
This confused me. In fact, I was wrong in this leg. Yes.
Yeah.
Very difficult.
So before the confirmation, you have to ask yourself, this is actual inducement or just a continuation.
So for
and
you,
if you are, yeah,
this is inducement for you.
Actually, inducement is here.
Okay.
Yeah, on the top. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. But in this case, market taken out this liquidity. This is our trend line liquidity.
Yeah.
Okay. and this trend line liquidity has been taken out, and market tap on the order block and go higher. Market, it means sometime market, most of the time market follow the inducement and engineer liquidity. Okay, but I teach 3-4 types of liquidity, which is including trend line liquidity, SNR liquidity, support and resistance liquidity, because every time different situation. Okay, market never follow this move like this. You can say inducement, tap on the extreme inducement and tap on the, then market go in a downside, in a very downside. Okay, but market create different situation in every time. Okay, but you have to prepare before the taken a trades. This is actual, this type liquidity is generating here. Okay.
I hope to reach to, I know this kind of liquidity, but if I follow structure, in this case, I
actually actually this thing happen mostly in an index pair. So because in an index market push little bit slowly upside and slowly downside, and then rapidly upside and rapidly downside. So these things happen most of the time in an index. Okay.
Yeah. In the
this
forex,
is our,
the forex is more structural.
But you have to keep in your mind these things. Okay. Yeah. Break the structure, and you can see market tap on this level, and we can buy here. And after taking out this, we can see market gave a reaction. Is here. This is an indication. These are indication for the continuation upside. Okay. When you switch into lower time frame, okay, and then we can see this is a minor structure is here, taken out this low and mitigate something here in a lower time frame and push higher. Okay, these are scaling entries possibly. Again, market taken out the previous low and tap on this demand and go higher.
I remember this zone because I start to see selling.
Sell. Yeah. So these are scaling entries possibly in a lower time frame, because this is a 15-minute and possibly in a 5-minute and 3-minute, 2-minute. And some people are looking here for sell because this is order block. Correct? Because anticipating price push downside, they look, this is a clean order block, and they're anticipating sell. But this is a smart money trap.
Yeah. How to evitate? Sorry. I remember that I was, my mind was a bearish moment. Instead, it was bullish. I remember this day. Yeah, this day I start to my losing streaks. Yeah, I'm in this moment, precise moment, this precise day, I start to load my money in my account.
Yeah. Okay.
Very good. So sorry. Can you in your vision you sorry, how to oh my god, I don't know how to say. I should be able to see that was a long bullish trend. What's it? How I should to understand that was a long period? Can I go on 1 hour time frame and see the situation, the scenario, Greek scenario, or I don't know, to because I remember this period, I was very confused. So how to evitate, how to don't to don't follow in this trap. How can evitate this confusion?
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check in a little bit higher time frame. I think you can little bit switch into little bit higher time frame to see clean picture. I think this will help you a lot to show you exactly that this is a valid inducement or not.
Yeah.
And because if you notice in a left side, you can see this is inducement in a 20-minute also, inducement valid, inducement valid. Okay, it means in this case you can see there is a no inducement. Okay, on the top of the this one is an inducement. Okay, so
Yeah.
you can switch little bit higher if you confuse that this is a valid or not. Then if you are looking 15 minutes, then you can switch 20 minutes to see exactly picture. Okay, and I hope now it's looking very clear.
So can you write this concept, please? Because for me, it's better to understand, to see the text. Sorry,
Okay.
Mr. Khan. Sorry, only for all this
okay.
phrase. If you...
Okay, let me read. Okay, yeah. If you are confused to identify valid idea, then switch.
If you confuse 5 IDM, then switch. Because consider that I scalp during the day, okay? So I have oh, okay. If you confuse to identify valid IDM, you switch little. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Consider that I have to scalp. So my priority is to understand the scenario, no? Okay. So I can trade the during the day, during 1 minute, okay. So for me, it's important this vision to understand what to do during the day. So this is the motive I consider your very important your method. Okay, this is the motive I love your way. Okay, because I use this to create my scenario during the day. Okay, go on. Go on, sorry.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my God.
So this is a boss.
Yeah.
Okay, so major boss is here. And in this case, we can see where is our inducement.
For me, my God.
In this
Maybe
way,
this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Maybe this inducement, but
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, because it's take a pullback and go higher, and this is already in a 20 minute. Now switch into to 20 minutes, then we can see clean picture is here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and this is our inducement, and then market push downside. Okay.
Yeah.
So after taking out this inducement, and where is our engineering liquidity?
Okay, engineering for me maybe this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, and why this? and why this is, oh my God.
I think what happened here,
Yeah,
if you switch into little bit, sorry. These are again this type of liquidity, trend line liquidity is here,
yeah,
and same thing is here.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So generally, this type of liquidity available after boss. Okay, this picture looks similar.
yeah,
Okay, and after taking out this liquidity, market tap on this order block, which is here, probably here, yeah, of course, and then push higher.
yeah, yeah. I
This is
remember.
our, yeah.
I remember this day, and I consider very often. I consider this order block, your EFC candle, your EFC candle, EFC two.
Yeah.
I looked at sweep liquidity sweep here,
Mhm.
but this the structure confuses me because I expect the price or here
Mhm.
and go up, or here and go up. Maybe
These
is,
are internal structure. These are internal structure. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes,
You
but
have to, in this case, you have to remember one, uh, one more thing in during trend line liquidity. Where is
yeah,
trend line liquidity origin? Okay. So in this case, this is the origin of this trend line liquidity
yeah,
here. And in this case, this is the origin of this trend line liquidity. Okay. And below this is order block is here, tap here and go higher. Below this order block, tap here and go higher.
oh,
Correct.
okay,
Hmm.
yeah, trend line origin,
Yeah. Trend line origin liquidity means a trend line origin is here. Trend line of the move liquidity. Okay.
yeah,
So buy always below it.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. And don't buy blindly here. You have to wait for the lower time frame confirmation also here in a 1 minute to see chart balls and then go higher. And target is here, which
yeah,
is higher high. Okay. So this is a boss and market create another higher high is here. And then what happened here? Market break this structure is here, and this one is all called break off structure.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And after break this structure, where is our inducement? Here, I'm talking about this one.
I think inducement here, yeah,
Is here.
engineering,
Okay. Yeah. And then what happened here? Market again push higher and create new
yeah,
inducement is here. Okay. So this become our inducement.
yeah,
And below this inducement, this order block is here when we can take an entry. And the next is the below this move, engineering liquidity is here.
So you think now he is going to engineering?
Yeah, obviously. And now we expecting here to push downside,
Yeah,
and when we can sell, taken out the at least this side. Once market taken out this side, we can sell till
yeah.
this
This
zone.
this
At
confused.
least this zone.
Yeah, yeah. I this is another question
Yeah.
because when I see this, so I see this, and so I expect this. I don't know
Mhm.
if watch the
Why are
sell.
you expecting this one? Because
No,
market failed the inducement, and then you have a chance to mitigate
yeah,
engineering liquidity. So if the engineering liquidity, and maybe this order block is not tapped, but at least market go higher, okay, and sweep this high, and then sell, taken out this, and then we can buy.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
because
maybe,
why we are selling here, look at this picture is here, market creating like this. Okay, so market must be taken out the recent high before the sell, and then this become our high probability setup after taking out this high, and probably market tap on this order block.
yeah.
Okay, because above this there is nothing, any unmitigated order block.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Main thing is here to taken out the liquidity, taken out the high or low, not order block. Order block is additional confluence. I don't take primary for the order block. I always wait for the taken out the inducement.
Can you write this? Sorry, so I have in the video and I can remember better. To be sure to understand the English, Mr. Khan, not to create a problem for you. I want only to have a clear the concept.
Yeah.
Same time I need to read. Can you repeat this last concept of the block?
Sure.
Do you have a child?
Yeah. So this is our inducement, correct? And once market failed the inducement, okay. So once market failed this inducement, and then what happened, and how we can identify why that inducement is a failed or not. First thing, market sweep this liquidity. Okay, we are probably looking for buy, and look at this candle, which is sweep the previous.
Yeah.
Okay, and this candle is a confirmation for the buy, correct? And then what happened here? Market, we can buy here, but what happened? Market failed, and this order block is also failed. Okay, and probably this one is a in M15 is a mitigated. Okay, so
Yeah.
probably in a lower time frame is here.
Yeah.
This is a big.
Yeah, because I see. Okay. Yeah, all mitigated. Yeah.
Yeah. So this one is also failed. That's why these are indication. First indication is here that inducement has been failed. When market taking out this high, and then we can sell after taking out this high, or market push downside, taking out this engineer liquidity, then we can buy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Sometime when I see when the price arrive in the inducement zone in higher time frame, here start my problem, because when I go in lower time frame, I don't know what to do, because I think that the price may go long, and I remain locked.
Look at here. Let me show you exactly what happened here. You can see this is a structure. This liquidity has been taken out, previous candles, sorry, inducement taken out. And after taking out the inducement, we are anticipating for the buy. Okay. But in reality, there is nothing clear here for the buy and sell. Why? Because after break this structure, okay, when up we can buy, probably is here. Correct? So this is indication for the buy, but as you know, this inducement failed.
Yeah.
Okay, this inducement failed, and we are anticipating here for buy. Putting the stop loss just below it. Okay, target is main high.
Yeah.
Correct. So this is our entry criteria, but this is a failed. Then what are we can in this situation? Once market failed this low, which is here, clean break this low. Okay, and now we can see in this case where is our inducement and where is our engineering liquidity in this case.
There's a question.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
After
Maybe
break this structure.
EDM. NG.
Yeah. Of course. Because it takes the previous low. Okay.
Yeah.
Once market takes the previous low, as I told you, market always give a reaction. Most of the time.
Yeah.
Not every time, but in this case also market taken out the low, but did not give a reaction, but give a little bit reaction and then failed.
Yeah.
Same thing happened here. Market taken out this, and we can buy till this extreme supply. Correct. And then what happened here? Market taken out this engineering liquidity, we can sell on the extreme.
Yeah.
And this is already taken out by this move.
Yeah.
This previous. So this is a high probability, and we can sell here and to put the target, the engineering liquidity main low, which is here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's important to analyze what happened every time, but it's very sometimes it's very complicated to yeah. I think is only question to repeat the right habits. Because my problem is I usually make very fast scalping, and sometimes very often I try to take I work on the reaction of the price. Okay, when I see this zone, for example, when I see this zone and I see in sometime in 30-second or 50-second time frame, I see a reaction, so I start to sell and try to follow the price go down. Okay, for example.
Actually, I don't think you have to switch into the lower the 1 minute, because 1 minute, if you know very well, if you read candlestick very well, then you don't need to switch into seconds time frame. Seconds time frame is a very high volatile. Okay.
Yeah. I think it's a mentality my problem, because in these years I lose very often, very for many years I lose money, and so I'm I don't know how to explain. I suffer. Okay, I suffer myself, because when I have a losing streaks, or I have the not right. Sometimes I have not the right mentality to this mentality to for stop loss, or because during the time I subire, sorry, in English, subire, sorry, I can translate. I hate the stop loss, the lose money, because
Okay.
Subject to. I was subject to two losing periods. Okay, I suffered and this problem, and I'm trying to don't give up. Okay, because okay, my problem to maintain the position is psychologically sometimes, I think.
Okay. So.
Okay, no, it's all clear, Mr. Khan. Very, very clear, all clear.
Yeah, I think a lot of new things has been clear to you in this session.
Yeah.
And you should apply, and after apply in your live trading, okay, and take small position in your starting. Once you confirm and once you already and become a confident trader, then you can little bit increase your position size. Okay, and this thing will help you a lot to understand that how you can take entries and how you can identify the boss job and inducement, because most of the time traders get confused. Okay, and today I will host also weekly webinar during the around 9 8:30 p.m., which is I think 6 p.m. as per the no 5 p.m. as per the Italy time.
Okay.
Okay, so I will. Yeah.
Can I ask? Can I ask only last thing?
Sure,
sorry.
sure, you can.
Maybe 5 minutes. Can you put in 5 minutes time frame?
Sure.
Sorry. Okay. I'm finding the situation. For example, maybe it is an EDM for you. Okay. Okay. And maybe this is order block. Yeah.
Okay.
So. Okay.
As I told you in starting, that price must be taken out this high before the major sell. Okay, so we are anticipating price. If price broke this high, then taken out this high, then we can sell. So before taking out this high, market must be go higher. So how market go higher? Taken out this inducement. Okay.
Yeah.
Failed this order block is here, as you can see. This order block failed because market suddenly rapidly broke this order block. This is an indication for the failed order block. Okay, and then what happened here? Tap on this order block and go higher, and then we can buy here and put the stop loss just below it. Okay, and we can switch into the lower time frame confirmation and set take profit is here. And actually I will make a video about how to trade ping pong. Okay, which is very ultra advanced. So so still I will not make a video regarding ping pong entries, because ping pong is a very high volatile. So I will make after a few weeks, because once community members digest recent stuff, then I will make a sure video about how to trade a ping pong and single candle mitigation entries.
You
okay?
you will make a video about this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's take a few weeks, maybe mid of the August and maybe end of the August, because most of the traders in a community, I think you are doing really great job, but some other members is still not marking the correct structure, marking the correct order block. Okay, they are still struggling. So it's take a little bit time. Okay. Once everyone prepare to mark the exactly things, then I will make a video about how to trade ping pong, single candle mitigation entry. Then you can catch every move in a 1 minute.
Oh,
Okay.
when do you realize this? Sorry.
Probably mid of the August or mid or end of the August, probably, because
Sorry, middle
those
August.
video
Middle August.
mid of the August month, next month.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, after probably 3 weeks or 4 weeks later.
Ah, okay.
Then
Okay.
I will make a video that how you can catch every move. Okay,
Oh,
like
yeah.
this here. Okay, and in this case, how we can catch every move, and you can see this is inducement, correct? Now 1 minute, and after taking out this inducement, we can buy this order block, which is here, correct? And put the stop loss just below it, and market again break this structure. This is our inducement. Market push downside, and then I would like to buy. If market break this high, okay, and create new inducement like here, break this structure, and this is our inducement, and then go higher, and this buy below it. Okay, and these things work every time.
Yeah.
Before the inducement, before always buy on the inducement or taken out the engineering liquidity. Both things work smoothly.
And here, where is the engineering? Is maybe this?
Actually, these trades are taken out very aggressively. Okay, if you look back side, you can see this is our major structure, which is here. Break the structure. This is the inducement for the 1 minute, and structure change. This is our chop. After chop, this is the inducement type on this order block and go higher. So in this case, we can see our engineering liquidity is here, which is below it, and this is our.
Oh my.
Okay. But why I did taken out this trade? Because market type here and give a reaction. As I told you, market give a reaction and buy on the next candle is here.
And you try the entry directly without any confirm. Yeah, right?
Yeah,
because it is like I scalp. Yeah, it's my method. Only that. Yeah, only that. That I have to improve my sorry, structure of vision or kind. Yeah, very interesting because it's my method. But sometimes, for example, yeah,
this inducement.
yeah,
Take a reaction and we can sell here on this candle.
yeah,
and target is here.
Yeah.
And give a reaction, and we can move our stop loss and break even, and maybe hit the stop loss. Okay. And then what happened? Take an odd tap on this extreme. Okay. And these are candlestick. Taken out this high. Correct. And what happened here? Market push downside.
Yeah.
And sell it. Because market already taken out the liquidity, and this black candle taken out the previous high, and this is the indicator for the reversal. We can sell here. Okay, and in this trade, make 11 hour. This trade make lose 1%, 11%, net 10 hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will make a separate video about it, how to trade scalping, and okay. So it's probably take a few days, but practice on it, and I hope this will help you a lot to understand things.
Yeah. Maybe do you think we make other maybe because
maybe speak about this in our private one-to-one session, or not? Do you think may we anticipate this mood in private in our session? No. Can you teach me this way in one-to-one session?
Yeah, sure. I'll teach you, but you have to clear these things, which I already, but practice this week, upcoming week, and then probably I will give you.
Sorry, I don't hear you. I don't hear you.
Okay.
No. Hello?
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. Now there is audio. Sorry.
Yeah.
The audio was
Yeah.
down.
Should I? Yeah. Should I stop the recording? Or
Oh yeah. Oh.
I think stop the recording and.